Advice is is just working hard. One thing is that that boys or people or especially boys that are wanting to play rugby. One thing that the most reason they stop is that they don't see any changes. That is. I once told my uncle, and he's playing now for the sevens. Once you're like at a point where you want to back down, you're just a step closer to the door that's been opened to you. And he told me that it really worked because we were together in Suva for a very long time. He was playing for the Mari 7. He was like in the top team, and I've never always been selected. So what I always do, I always be running. My running route is River Street from Samambula St. Giles to Marist and back. That's every day. That's my route. So one thing he realized is that I never stopped and I didn't get picked. I go there to training every day at Marist. Didn't get picked to play for Mari Sevens. I still do it. I do it for no reason, but I didn't know it was a seed that I planted. I kept watering it every day. It grew. So it grew, and yes, I think just one message to the boys that are like, it's that time that will come that you want to give up. A big witness is the boys that are sitting behind me. They never stopped once. They did something that no one saw, or even their families. Those are the reasons why everyone here,